Hi guys, welcome to our new channel. We're off to Disney World for 14 nights. We know, but the children don't. So we're off to wake them up and give them the biggest surprise of their lives. You ready?
Yeah.
What did it say?
Today.
What did it say, Freddie?
We go to Disney World. Yeah. Oh, actually.
We're going.
Yes.
Guess when we're going?
Today. It's real, Freddie, it's real. Do you understand, Thea?
No. Come this way, Freddie.
Huh? Hey, what are those covered in? Suitcases! What's
Where's the other
behind
here?
here?
You realise that we are doing, we are flying all the way to America to go to Mickey Mouse's castle for 2 weeks.
2 weeks!
2 weeks at Mickey Mouse's castle.
Are you excited?
Yes!
So we go on the coach today to go to the airport, and we sleep overnight in a hotel.
I love her, Dad.
I want to watch that second video again.
And then tomorrow
Yeah.
we go on an aeroplane to Mickey Mouse's castle.
Are we going today?
This is the best day ever! Thank you!
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Hug my daddy.
Happy Daddy.
Back on.
These are these, do you reckon?
I remember getting these! Yo, the toy!
I'll bring them over here then. You can have a look inside them.
Yeah.
Look inside.
Let's have a look.
Lots of goodies in there.
Boy. I'll get this.
Well, you've got to
This
there's
isn't.
more snacks to go in there. Mum's going to put
Little Minecraft vlog.
magnet ones, Freddie.
Magnet?
Careful, don't drop them all.
Wait, I see people play with these. Oh wait, do we really have this?
Yeah, we've just packed that.
So you got something to do.
Okay, hide in it. I'm probably going to say. Creeper time. How do I get it out, stuff? One more! Let go! Did I write that? I was opening them now.
No, you open it later.
Sweetie!
You got snack box for the plane.
Oh, I thought
You
that
got that.
was like Sweetie Box.
Don't get it all out, Freddie. Don't get it all
Minecraft
out.
activities, Star Wars. What is this? What's this? What is this? What is this?
It's a surprise potato.
Actually, I don't like it. I don't. Get this. I get one. Is this
Surprise.
camera has a
Yeah,
double
here's
one?
one. Right. Just
Right.
careful, because all the stuff's coming
How
out.
about we put them back in and we can have a look at it when we're on the coach?
Yeah, you bet ya. Yeah, Fia, I got a purple one. I want to show you. I want to show you my
There
purple
you go,
one.
yeah.
I want to show you my purple one. Where
Yeah,
is
it's
it?
on your hand.
Wait, I love these. We have one of these at school.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where's my? Fia, this is my purple one.
Oh, it's come off, yeah. Just come off the back though. Like, you don't need the back though, do you really?
No.
Just need your lock star.
Fia, look, we've got Lockstar.
Oh yeah.
What is this?
It's one of those.
I hear stuff inside.
Yeah, snake.
No, it's not a snake. Fia, I got all the different candies.
So you're excited?
Today we are going to Disney World, and if you're wondering what this is, it's a voice thingy. Do you know we're going to Disney World? This is the first video. We're going to make some other videos, like sooner or later. We're going to a Christmas party. We're going to try some Christmas food at Mickey Mouse's castle. So hop in the ride.
So we're loading up the suitcases.
We're going to load up the suitcases.
Hold on, let Daddy and
There's my little sister.
sort what they're doing.
Hi, Thea. Thea, say hi.
Hi.
And this is my mummy.
Hi.
Are you all excited?
This is going to be so much fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you excited? Are you sure? Are you? I said, are you?
Yeah.
Okay. We have a lot of stuff, as you can see here. Yeah, it's actually going pretty good. It's going pretty good. This is going to be so much fun. Trust me.
Hi guys, so just boarded the coach from Plymouth going up towards Heathrow. Say hello, Freddie.
I said I'm Baby Yoda. Baby Yoda. Baby Yoda. Baby wanna go to Disneyland.
Hi guys, so we finally made it to Heathrow Airport. National Express was alright, apart from being 20 minutes delayed because M4 was closed at Reading, and one of the passengers was meant to be getting off at Reading, and it took him about 20 minutes to explain to her that she'd be coming to Heathrow to come back to Reading. So yeah, we were about 20 minutes delayed, so it's not too bad. We're staying the night at Air Hotel, which is connected to Terminal 3.
This is my Do you have?
So we're at the restaurant. So we're eating. We're waiting for food.
What have you ordered?
I got some lemonade. I ordered some lemonade and mac and cheese.
What about that?
And we're also going to play a little game if you want to see that. The point of this game is to get...
Yeah. Do you know how to play? You have to draw a line, one line at a time.
Yeah, I know.
Between the dots. So you draw between this one and this one. That's it, and now it's Freddie's turn. You've got to try and make a whole square.
We're going to try and block you.
Yeah.
So I can do this here,
Yeah.
and I can block
That's it,
you.
now it's Leah's turn again.
You can't block me.
Yeah, you can do wherever you like.
And what have you got?
Set it up for you.
And I got my mac and cheese.
Yeah, let me just chop it up for you, okay?
Oh, that's not...
Oh, nice little chicken.
So we've just been to, was it called the Oceanic? Oceanic Club.
The Oceanic.
Oh, the Oceanic. It's above Virgin. Check-in.
Up the stairs,
Up
towards
the stairs.
security.
But yeah, it was alright. Good pub food. Did the trip. Got pint. So now we're just going to head back to the room, get the kids all showered, ready for bed, ready for our flight in the morning. Give you a quick little room tour as we come in. We've got a family room. As you come in, you got a big mirror on the left hand side. Then on the right, go into the bathroom. Got a shower, rainfall shower, and sink, toilet. Just standard. Into the main room. Got two beds, two double beds there. TV and drink making facilities. Got tea, coffee, hot chocolate and water. So yeah, so hopefully we'll have a good night's sleep. Ready for our flight to Orlando in the morning. So we're all tucked up in bed now. It's the end of our pre-travel day because in the morning we are going...
I'm gonna eat some Kinder Eggs. We're gonna have some lunch. We're gonna, yeah, it's gonna be good.
So yeah, so
We go
in the morning we've got 10, is it 10:50, Faye?
Yeah.
10:50 flight with Virgin Atlantic. We're gonna go into the lounge first. I think number 1 lounge we've got. So we'll see you all in the morning.